So ideally, so now in order to capture what the concat operation is returning, we have assigned it to a new name, which is the designation name. Okay. And if we rerun this code now, after execution of this line number 9, we can see that the designation name contains the full software engineer, because string is an immutable class. Once you initialize it, once you have created an object, you cannot change the state of that object. Okay, so that is why it is not allowing you to update the existing object. Instead, it is returning you a new object. Okay, so this is the common rule in string. Whenever you create a string using the double inverse quote, if that string is present in the string pool, the same object is returned. Otherwise, the new object is created and then it is returned. If in the second time you try to create a string with a similar content, it will check if it is already present, so it will return you the already present object. And this case, no, SPS Kohli software engineer, this is not present in the string pool, so this will get added because it is a complete new string.